everyone. This is Dr. Adam Kopsky from Advanced Rehab and Medical in Jackson, Tennessee. And I just wanted to come on here and tell you about our new topic this week. It's called Can Chiropractic Help Prevent a Hamstring Injury? And so this one's actually new and a good study that I'm going to go into just a little bit and hit the highlights. So one thing that a study found was that with soccer players over in Australia, they did a study where they looked at these sport athletes, and a lot of them either were receiving medical care, but then they took and actually compared a group that received medical care plus ones that received spinal manipulation plus the medical care on top of it, and compared those two groups. So what was fascinating was they actually found that group that was receiving spinal manipulation or adjusting with the medical care actually had about a 50% reduction in hamstring injuries with strains of those hamstrings in both legs. So actually how this plays a factor into chiropractic, not just back pain, is I'm going to tell you a little bit about how we actually address the spine, to how that plays a role into those hamstrings. So a lot of times what happens is with our sitting posture and abnormal posture, especially in the hips, is if we come into a sitting position for a prolonged period of time, our pelvis right here, these bones here, actually will start shifting forward. And so if you can imagine, your hamstrings are on the back of your leg here, so you can imagine if I start tilting my pelvis forward, you actually add stress back here on the back of your legs and those hamstrings. So to me, it's really fascinating to see that actually the study correlates with what we do as chiropractors. If we come in here and find the cause of why that hamstring is tight and correct it, we can decrease the tension of those muscles and lead to a decrease of injury and hamstring risk of getting a further injury. So that was one fascinating point that they found, and how it correlates with, a lot of times people think that chiropractic is just for back pain, and so if you are suffering from hamstring injuries, we do a lot of therapy to find not only where the cause of it is, but also correct it. So if you would want more information, please come into the office and check out. And once again, be sure to grab these weekly topics, because they really are valuable, and address important issues like this that maybe you didn't know chiropractic could help with, especially if you have a loved one that's active in sports and is dealing with nagging hamstring injuries. We're definitely here to help. So be sure to, when you come into the office this week, to grab one, and as always, be sure to ask myself or the staff about more information. So I hope you guys have a good week.